Charles Rolls really liked cars. He was fascinated by their potential and the freedom they represented. From a young age, he was drawn to the thrill of speed and the mechanics behind these incredible machines. Henry Royce really liked building things. He was a meticulous engineer, always striving for perfection. His passion for creating the best machinery was evident in everything he touched, from simple tools to complex engines. In 1904, they met and made history. Rolls was a businessman with a vision. He saw the potential in Royce's engineering prowess and knew that together they could achieve greatness. He knew Royce's engineering skills could make them a lot of money. Rolls was not just interested in profit, but in creating something truly exceptional. He believed that with Royce's talent, they could revolutionize the automotive industry. Royce was a careful builder. He paid attention to every detail, ensuring that each component was perfect. His dedication to quality was unmatched, and it showed in the reliability and performance of his creations. He wanted to make the best cars in the world. Royce's dream was to create vehicles that were not only functional, but also works of art. He believed that a car should be a masterpiece, combining beauty with engineering excellence. So, they started a company called Rolls-Royce. This company was built on the foundation of their shared passion and commitment to excellence. They aimed to set new standards in the automotive world. They had a simple goal: to make cars that weren't just for driving, but like pieces of art. Each Rolls-Royce was crafted with the utmost care, reflecting the artistry and precision that both men valued. Rolls-Royce quickly became known for making really good and fancy cars. Their reputation for quality and luxury spread rapidly, attracting the attention of car enthusiasts and the elite. The cars were strong, dependable, and beautifully made. Each vehicle was a testament to Royce's engineering genius and Rolls' vision for luxury and performance. Kings, queens, famous people, and rich people all over the world loved them. The brand became synonymous with prestige and excellence, a symbol of status and sophistication. Rolls and Royce were the perfect team. Their partnership was a blend of business acumen and engineering brilliance, creating a legacy that would endure for generations. People called their early cars the Whisper because they ran so smoothly and quietly. This nickname highlighted the superior craftsmanship and innovative design that set Rolls-Royce apart from other car manufacturers. This made people trust that Rolls-Royce cars were very well made. The brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction earned them a loyal following. It was the start of a very successful future. Rolls-Royce continued to innovate and set new benchmarks in the automotive industry, becoming a timeless symbol of luxury and engineering excellence. In 1906, Rolls-Royce introduced the world to the Silver Ghost. This car was a game-changer in the automotive industry, setting new standards for luxury and performance. It wasn't just another car, it was a masterpiece of engineering and design. People quickly dubbed it the best car in the world, a title it held with pride and distinction. The Silver Ghost was renowned for its reliability and smooth performance. It was a car that could be trusted to deliver, no matter the conditions. In a remarkable feat, it was driven for 15,000 miles without a single breakdown, proving its exceptional durability and engineering excellence. This incredible achievement cemented its status as a legend in the automotive world. But the Silver Ghost wasn't just about luxury and reliability. It was also a powerhouse, boasting a strong and capable engine. It went on to break numerous world records, showcasing its superior performance and engineering. Over time, it became a symbol of outstanding car making, representing the pinnacle of automotive excellence. The Silver Ghost played a crucial role in establishing Rolls-Royce as one of the premier car manufacturers in the world. Even today, automotive enthusiasts and historians continue to celebrate the significance of this iconic car. The Silver Ghost remains a legendary and revered automobile, a testament to Rolls-Royce's enduring legacy. Rolls-Royce has always been ahead of everyone else in car technology. From the very beginning, they have set the standard for luxury and performance, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the automotive world. They were the first to use a V12 engine in their cars, a groundbreaking innovation at the time. This powerful engine set them apart from other car manufacturers. This engine was not only strong but also incredibly smooth, providing a driving experience that was unmatched. It became very popular in their cars, making Rolls-Royce a household name synonymous with luxury and innovation. During World War II, Rolls-Royce invented the Merlin engine, a pivotal development in their history. This engine was used in the famous Spitfire airplane, playing a crucial role in the war effort and showcasing Rolls-Royce's engineering prowess. This showed everyone that Rolls-Royce could build really powerful and dependable engines, solidifying their reputation as a leader in engineering. After the war, Rolls-Royce continued to innovate, constantly developing new technologies and improving their cars. They invented new technology and added new features to their cars, ensuring they remained at the forefront of the automotive industry. They wanted their cars to be comfortable and safe for passengers, combining luxury with the latest safety innovations. They always tried to make their cars better, never settling for anything less than perfection. This relentless pursuit of excellence is what makes Rolls-Royce a true legacy of innovation. Part 4. From Phantom to Cullinan, Fancy and Famous Cars. Rolls-Royce has made some of the most luxurious and famous cars ever. The Phantom, first made in 1925, is the perfect example of luxury. You can tell it's a Phantom right away because it's so big and has such a beautiful interior. The Cullinan is their first SUV. It's luxurious but can also go off-road. It's very comfortable and powerful. It's perfect for a new generation of car owners. Every Rolls-Royce is a work of art. From the leather seats to the special paint, every detail is luxurious. Part 5. A Great History. For over 100 years, Rolls-Royce has meant luxury, power and innovation. From the Silver Ghost to the Cullinan, they have always made the best cars in the world. Their cars are more than just cars. They tell everyone that you are successful, sophisticated and have good taste. Rolls-Royce will always make high-quality cars. As technology changes, Rolls-Royce will change too. They will invent new things, but always remember their history. The future is bright for this famous company.